I'm fine. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Doing good. What's your
That's
name and where are
awesome.
you from?
I'm from Iraq. My name is Ahmed.
Oh, okay. Ahmed. Did I say it right? No?
It's the easy way to say my to pronounce my name like Ahmed.
Ahmed.
Yeah.
Ahmed.
Bec no, you pronounce it
Got
good.
it. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to get it correct, so I try to
Yeah.
get it correct. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
My
too.
name is Colleen.
Yeah. Nice to meet you, Colleen.
Yeah, I live in the United States. The state I live
Yeah.
in is Alabama. I don't know if you've heard of this state before.
Yeah, I know Alabama just from the movies.
Mm-hmm.
I heard about Alabama all the time when I saw Hollywood movies.
Yeah,
Mm.
that's the only thing people hear about this state from the movies. It's not a
Yeah.
popular place to visit.
Uh,
So tell me, how long have you been learning English and been using Cambly?
I have been learning English specifically on Cambly around 7 months.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And I met many tutors
Mm-hmm.
here on Cambly. Some of them they have British accent.
Mm-hmm.
Some of them funny people like American people
Mm-hmm.
who yeah they you guys you love to speak and laugh
Uh-huh.
and the tutor American tutor give me more details about what I want to know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and I feel comfortable when I talk with American people because they have a clear accent to me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Versus the British accent.
Yeah, I found hard to understand them
Mm-hmm.
sometimes because when I pronounce the word, it's like a weird word to me.
Mm-hmm.
But when I ask the tutor to repeat the word,
Mm-hmm.
I tell the tutor, yeah, I got it, I got it, because the pronunciation.
Yeah, I see. I see. Yeah, Cambly has, I guess that's a good thing. You can get used to different accents.
Yes, of course.
What is your reason for learning English? Is it for like travel or work or what is it?
Um, that's a good question for me because I have, I think, 1,000 reasons to
Mm-hmm.
learn English. Everybody in the whole world speak in English.
Right.
So whenever I go, when I speak English, I can communicate with the people.
Mm-hmm.
It helped me in the airport, in the market.
Mm-hmm.
Also, I think it helped me with my job. I
Mm-hmm.
have a computer shop, and I work with the communications.
Mm-hmm.
So it helped me in my work. Uh, Also, my studying. I complete my studying.
Mm-hmm.
I complete my college. I finished my college English literature.
Mm-hmm. Oh, English literature.
I got English bachelor's degree
Mm-hmm.
in English literature.
Ah, cool. So what made you choose English literature for your degree?
To be honest, when I finished my college, uh, I stopped learning English and
Mm-hmm.
like I changed my track, I changed the way of my living,
Mm-hmm.
of my work. I involved with the communications and
Mm-hmm.
computers and the new technologies.
You're back.
Hello again.
I don't know what happened to our connection. My connection's not so good today. I think the weather, maybe.
No, no, my connection is shut down.
Oh, okay. It's you. It's not me.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're in America.
Ye-
You have a good signal.
Yeah, so where I live, the connection is like I live like in the countryside, so sometimes our connection's no good.
I got you.
I forgot what we were talking about actually. I think you were telling me about your work.
Yeah, you just asking me about why I'm learning English.
And you
So
said 1,000 reasons.
yeah, of course.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah. So I mentioned that I need English. I think in the next years, I think I will teach students at at the beginning, the beginners, so I can teach them some lessons, and also I learn from Cambly a new method to learn a conversation. Because of course, in the whole world, the education system teach English just grammar rules,
Right.
not teach them the the conversation. Even me, I graduated from my college English department, but at that time I can't speak in a fluent.
Right.
Even I can't speak English for 1 or 2 minutes.
Yeah, because it's only grammar and
Yeah,
vocabulary, I guess.
yeah, and focus on the exam and the just the result
Yeah, but it's not how
as
we
well.
speak. When we speak, it's like uh, like a casual. We speak casually, not like the books. If that makes sense. Does it make sense what I said?
Yeah, you mean I focus on casual speak,
Yeah,
not
native
like
speakers.
in grammar. Yeah, yes, I got you. Yeah,
Yeah, we don't think
yeah,
about grammar when we speak. Normal conversation,
yes.
native speakers just speak, however.
So if I met someone who is a native speaker, and I speak with him English, but in grammar rules, maybe he laughs at me.
Maybe not laugh, but
Yeah.
but how do I say? Yeah, it's just more casual. We have casual conversation. I'm sure like in your native language, which is, by the way, what is your first language?
Arabic.
Arabic. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm sure in Arabic it's the same thing. You have like a casual conversation.
Yes, of course. Yes. So I haven't seen you before on Cambly. Are you new, or your schedule different from my schedule?
Maybe I've been with Cambly 10 months, almost 11 months. And yeah,
Oh, that's great.
yeah, so now I'm here every day full time because I plan on traveling soon. So yeah, I'm on Cambly every day. I don't know. We've never crossed paths.
So, so you want to save a good money for traveling.
Yeah, I want to travel and use Cambly to live wherever. I don't know where, somewhere.
And what's your plan for traveling? Are you on your mind some what do you say? The
Destination.
distance, this destination. Yeah,
Yeah, I have some destinations. Yeah. I'm actually going in 3 weeks to Mexico.
yeah.
And then this virus, I don't know how this coronavirus will affect my travel, but yeah, I'd like to go to South America, Brazil, and Colombia. But right now, their economic situation, political situation is a little bit not good.
Yes.
So I don't know. We'll see.
You should you should wear a mask and gloves when you travel, especially in the airport and in the airplane. because so many people may be infected by the virus.
I know.
So just be careful in these crowded places.
Yeah. In Iraq, do you have anyone with the virus or no?
Yeah.
How many people?
Like 20, I'm just I'm not sure about the number, because some people say 20 and some of them say 45.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
But news, like a regular news, say something, and in Facebook say another
Something
thing.
else. Yeah.
So something else. So I'm not sure about the certain number, but I can give you the number of people died from coronavirus.
Yeah. How many?
Like 3.
3. Oh, that's not
Yeah,
terrible.
3
It's
persons.
bad, but yeah, we have, I don't know, like I said, some people say like 20 people died, and then some people say 200. Here we have very different, the truth is like, it's hard to find out, but it's spreading here a lot, so.
Oh yeah.
But what can we do? Nothing, I guess.
No. Gotta please us, please the whole world.
Yeah, exactly. Oh man, our
We
time's
have
almost finished, but
yes.
maybe next time, yeah, we can talk again.
Thank you for your time.
All right, see ya.
Take care.